Hello everyone, what is the value of 6 to the power 100 divided by 6 to the power 100 plus 6 to the power 98? Before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. Now let's get started. 6 to the power 100 is the same as 6 to the power 98 plus 2, then divided by the exact same thing because we have 6 to the power 100 here. We have 6 to the power 98 plus 2, then plus this one over there, 6 to the power 98. Now let's go ahead and then apply the power rule, that is a to the power m plus n is the same as a to the power m times a to the power n, right? So we're going to have 6 to the power 98 times 6 to the power 2 divided by 6 to the power 98 times 6 to the power 2, this one, then plus 6 to the power 98. Now we see that we have 6 to the power 98 and then the exact same thing is here. So on the denominator side, we can factor 6 to the power 98, right? So we're going to have 6 to the power 98 times 6 to the power 2 divided by 6 to the power 98 times, here we are left with 6 to the power 2 plus this side we are left with only 1. And straight away we see that this and this one will go. Now we are left with 6 to the power 2, which is 36, divided by 6 to the power 2, which is 36 again, then plus 1. So we're going to have 36 divided by 6 plus 1, which is 37 as the final answer. Go to the description of this video. I have the links to some important books that will help you in your life and in your mathematical journey as well. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.